see anywhere. And when you see it, all you people had better take care. 'Cause danger is a message, yes, a message for you. It says you better be careful or you'll be black and blue. And the word is danger. Danger, danger, baby, watch out, wow, 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 wow.
Watch out.
Danger, danger, baby, watch out, wow, 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 wow.
Watch out.
Wow, wow.
Oops, shooby-dooby-doo. Oops, shooby-dooby-doo.
Now some words are funny and some words are sad, but danger is the kind of word that you never had. When you see it, keep away, 'cause it's no good. Oh, danger means be careful now, is that understood? And the word is danger.
Danger.
Danger, baby, watch out, wow, 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 wow.
Watch out.
Danger, danger, baby, watch out, wow, 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 wow.
Watch out.
Wow.
Shooby-dooby-doo. Oops, shooby-dooby-doo.
Now I'm speaking from experience, as you can see, 'cause I have messed with danger and it's messed with me. So be sure to listen closely to the words I shout. Danger means be careful, so you better watch out. And the word is danger.
Danger.
Oh, danger, baby.